discount code JacobViral when you shop at Down for Sound, SkyHigh Car Audio, and others. Links in the description. Thanks for watching and enjoy the video.
Again? Excuse me.
I know what that's like.
I was in the parking lot last night demoing. Blow us up.
Oh man. Could you tell me real quick what's in here and then I'll get a demo?
Yeah, I got, well, two CV518s. They're a little bit custom. I eliminated my vent spacer, drilled holes in my basket so I can run 8-layer coils in them. So they're on a Crossfire 16K.
Wow.
You can plug your in.
Clamping 20K out of that damn amp.
And you blew one last night.
Blew one last night,
Man.
demoing in the parking lot.
Man.
So with 3 in there, it was doing 163s.
Okay.
At 41 hertz.
Wow.
With 2 in there, it's doing 162. So I lost 1 dB.
What's your frequency? You said it again?
41.
41? Yeah. Pretty good. Check out the amps real quick. Nice. And it's 14 volt?
Yeah, 14. Well, 15.
15. You really utilize your space.
Dude, I mean, I built it to
I
the
see
curve.
it. I see it.
Yeah.
You got everything you needed out of it. Good job. Can I get in?
Yeah, man.
You took your seats out. You're extreme.
Yeah, a little bit. It's not anything special, but
Hey, it's loud. What do you wire down to with the two? Yeah, I know.
with the 2, I'm at 0.7, so they're dual 0.7 subs.
When you had 3, what was it?
0.47.
0.4. Ooh.
That's where I was clamping 20K.
Yeah. Wow. Okay. Did your peak change when you went from?
Well, I actually haven't done much testing with
Yeah,
it, so I just burped the same thing.
Okay. What was your name?
Joby.
Joby. Jacob. Nice.
What's going on, everybody? I hope you enjoyed the full walk around we got of Joby's system he showcased at the Team Deadly Hertz show in Virginia of 2021. I went ahead and put the thumbnail right here. This was what it looked like from his previous video he gave me a demo of. Recommend checking out that video, link in the description after this demo, so you can kind of see how he's progressed from 2 subs to 3. Be sure to give him a like as well. He did a really good job showcasing it. I like that he used a wooden panel to kind of seal off the box to make it work with 2 subs. I see this quite often if we ever have a subwoofer issue that is blown right at the show. You never want that to happen, but if it does happen, we're able to block it off by that. So that's kind of like an emergency patch. And him being driver port is insane amount of SPL boost on the passenger side, or as well as me when I went in there to get the demo. Back here, he had a 16,000 watt amplifier, a Class D mono block. He had wired below the 1 ohm mark to get all the power out of his system. I really wish I also would have found out Joby's electrical system, the alternator power, as well as the big lithium bank you see there. And I remember at one point meeting him in a prior show after this, they actually upgraded to 2 or 3 of the amplifiers, so he even got louder than this. Imagine how loud it is during this demo too. So we're going to be getting to the car audio based demo now. If you haven't already, consider subscribing for daily car audio videos coming your way every day, and enjoy this pretty insane demo.
Alright, yeah, I'd love to hear it, man.
I'm making lovers slap on these tabs. It's just a rusted clothes. I should write a book or something. I should be a novelist. I would probably write a couple chapters and I call it quits. I've been writing battle bars, tell a bitch to swallow dick. Even though I'm married, I still write like a misogynist.
Follow politics. And I'll follow another. I'm confident.
Live with the illusion that losing isn't a consequence. I can feel my pride, but I don't know where my conscience went.
The consciousness. Next one. When
Did your peak change when you went from?
Well, I actually haven't done much testing with
Yeah,
it, so I just parked the same day.
Okay. I appreciate the demo. What was your name?
Joby.
Joby. Jacob.
Nice to meet you, man.
Thank you. I'm gonna have to get out. Woo. Check out the amps real quick. Nice. It is 14 volt.
Yeah, 14. Well, 15.
15. You really utilize your space.
Dude, I mean, I built it to
I
the
see
curb.
it. I see it.
Yeah.
You got everything you needed out of it. Good job.
Thanks, buddy.
Have a good day.